Congratulations, Ananya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Which attempt was it?
Ma'am, it was my last attempt.
How did you prepare for this?
So, about my preparation, I had a better schedule before than my first and second attempt, and I had a better strategy, and also there was no lack of discipline. I was disciplined, and I also put out all my efforts in this attempt.
So, what do you think that RMC is really a difficult exam?
Yes, I think so, and but it is really about my profit. I think that after giving RIMC exam, almost all of my concepts are clear now. It is tough, but it is also very good.
If the concepts are clear, it becomes very easy.
Yes.
Okay. Is there anyone in your family who is serving in armed forces?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Then who told you about RIMC?
My brother is currently studying in RMS Ajmer. His name is Suryansh Prakash Mishra. He told me about this RIMC.
Okay. Tell me something about your family background.
So I hail from a small village in Balia district, Uttar Pradesh, where I live with my family. My father, Mr. Ved Prakash Mishra, is currently working in microfinance. My mother, Mrs. Mamta Prakash Mishra, is a dedicated homemaker. My elder brother, Suryansh Prakash Mishra, is currently studying class 12 at RMS Ajmer, preparing for ND examination.
Your father, you belong to Balia.
Yes.
What is Balia famous for?
Balia is not so famous, but it is quite famous for a famous fair that is held around November. It is called as Dadri Mela.
Dadri?
Yes.
In Balia only?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about UP or UP as a state for women empowerment and women education?
UP has still some places where people have cheap thinking that women should not be allowed to get education. They are made for households. But I think that they should change their thinking, and there are still some people who are working hard to change these thinkings.
Okay. If you are made the Chief Minister of UP for one day, yes, so what would you do?
If I would be the CM of my Uttar Pradesh for one day, then I would like to empower women and also build some national parks for endangered species.
Okay. Fine. So, Ananya, which crop is grown in UP?
UP is the largest producer of wheat.
Sugarcane?
I think so. Sugarcane is mostly grown in Punjab.
Okay. So, what is your preference? Army, Navy, or Air Force?
I want to be an army officer.
Why not Navy or Air Force?
I also get inspired from my brother. He also wants to join army, and I think army has a lot of combat. So I really get excited to see the combats.
Okay.
So that's why I choose army.
Okay. So as compared to boys, the number of girls who are selected for RIMC, it's very small.
Yes.
Do you think the number should be increased?
Yes, and it's only in the hands of the girls. If they work hard, then the number could be increased.
Okay, nice.
Ananya, you want to be a part of combat roles, right?
Yes.
But right now there is no combat role open for girls.
Yes.
Some arms are open, like artillery and air defense, but not actually infantry and mechanized infantry. So, do you think it should be open for girls?
Yes, because there are some girls who are capable of combat. So I think so it should be opened.
Okay, do you really want to be a part of combat operations?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me the 3 Paramveer Chakra awardees of Indian Army.
First is Vikram Batra, Captain Vikram Batra, then Major Somnath Sharma, and then Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, who was in a part of Kargil War.
Okay, tell me 2 living Paramveer Chakra awardee winners.
Sorry, sir, I cannot recall it.
Okay, Rifleman Sanjay Kumar is one of them. Okay. And one is Honorary Captain Yogindra Yadav.
Okay.
Tell me the rank structure of Indian Army from top downwards.
Okay, so first is General, then Lieutenant General, Major General, then Brigadier and Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, then Major, Captain and Lieutenant.
Okay, and last question, if you are made General, of Indian Army, what two things would you like to improve?
If I would be the general of the Indian Army, then I would like to increase the representations of women in Army, and I would also motivate the young officers so they can perform very well in their future.
Okay, that's great talking to you. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
Nice.